married dito po. Tangina mga kaya. Pre.
Sorry.
Pre.
No, hindi yan song.
Ha?
Be a good kid and get a boat. Ako mag...
Why two boats? We can make one boat.
No, we don't fit.
We fit!
No! Gusto ko ng pink
Ito
boat.
yung boat. Ito yung boat. Ayan ang
No,
boat.
ayoko yan. Hindi yan pink.
Oh my gosh!
Ay, yung cute ng pink!
Miss my baby.
Oh, saan tayo?
Ayun, let's go.
Diba?
That's
It's
the
so,
first one.
diba? Ang lapit na, diba? Ang cute ng boat ko. Diba? Parang ice cream. I'm so hungry.
Tara na, speedrun.
Pre, nirarush mo ko. Nirarush mo utak ko. Kakagising ko lang.
Turururu.
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 Turururu. May chest ba to?
Oh yeah. Para may gold. It gives you 8 blocks of gold.
That's so poor.
I miss my baby. I miss my baby. You know what? I want my girlfriend. I want to go to their house again. Kaya I ordered you to kill him.
Yes, Polods. Eh, first time kong pumatay ng ganun.
Ano sinabi mo sa akin?
Ha?
Ha?
Yes, Polods.
Tama.
I'm gonna drown.
Go back to spawn.
Nag-drown na ako.
Go back to spawn.
I'm drowning.
Go back to spawn! This child, I swear to God.
Ayan, may door.
Love is an open.
Door!
Jew. Sa grade 9, kuha na ka ng theater, ano ba?
Eh, pero, gumawa kayo ng music theater, pero sa grade 10, mag-musical play kayo.
Fuck!
Anong fuck? Yung love is an open door. Hurry! That's mine! Saan ka?
You need one boat kasi I can ride you.
Ako yung taxi. Uber. Pinamanong stop the car.
Stop the car pa, manong. Thank you. I think I should go. Gusto mo uminom ng suspicious shoe?
Sige, sure. Suspicious shoe?
Suspicious shoe.
Suspicious shoe. Poison.
Whatever, dude.
Whatever. She, ano yung 4-5? Ayun
I
no.
know.
Gusto ko ng sniffer egg.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Ay, gago! Spawn tayo, gusto mo?
Weak mga nag-spawn. Weak yan.
Miss ko na baby ko. Hala! What if, natutulog ka tapos, tulog ka.
Gawin mo good night.
Ayoko nga.
Toxic ka pala eh.
Hindi. Ba't ako yung game sa'yo? Sige ako ba?
Sa kanya, bobo. Pag ba dinrap mo yung sponge sa tubig, magiging wet?
Oo. Ang alam ko na, siya yung wet.
Ah,
Sabi nila parang babae daw ang mag-sleep.
maybe you're gay.
What?
You're gay.
I have a girlfriend, how can I be gay?
Yun, minsan ganun yung mga tao ma-realize nila na gay sila nung nagka-jowa na sila. It's not wrong to be gay. It's okay to be gay. Don't be shy.
I have a girlfriend, I can't be gay. Tangina niya Astro, siguro sinabi niya. Ha?
Nanonood ka Toro Family? Toro. Nanonood ka Toro Family? Toro Family? Toro Family? Yung Toro Family.
Hindi nga puta kaya kasi alam ko ano eh.
Toro Family nga, ano pa ba? I just want some girl. Ay, nawala ka. Hindi ka nagpara. Wala, pinapatay nila yung squid.
Garden, alam mo si Notch?
Oo. Ba yung friend niya? Ay, hindi kay Stampy yun.
I have been 6th grade.
Uy, ang daming sponge, bro.
I'll kill you safe, okay? Balik ka ron.
Ay.
Just stay in there and wait for me. I'll tell you,
Okay.
okay?
Na nagpapatay ng
Uy,
squid.
dala I'll kill the Elder Guardians. After I've killed them, yes.
Ano naging BDSM na si Raizky?
Si ano yan? Si Jim yan?
Ay, si Grim si Raizky?
Oo.
Ay, si Grim pala to eh. Siya yung tinitipian ko kanina. Pinatay niya ako.
Nago si Grim yan, di mo alam.
Hindi.
What the fuck are you saying? Alien language?
We have dildo. Pam 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 pam. ni Jungkook. Sogo? Black market? Bayag. Bayag.
Ah?
Hindi ikaw. Bayag.
What?